I'm Mike Shablik with Erie Custom Signs. We're a wholesale manufacturer of interior ADA Braille signs. We started in 15 years ago. We use UV 3D ink printers to print the raised text in Braille. Our customers are print shops and sign shops. We wholesale to those two trade groups. Before we had this platform, people would send us a drawing, or they would say, I don't know what I need. What do you have? And I would say, well, what do you want? They go, I don't know what I want. But now with the online platform, we've created sign families, different sign types. We created a catalog off of those as well. And it just makes it easier for our customers to go out and talk to their clients. And now they have something to show and get their customers to, kind of figure out what they want. While using the OPS online platform, what we did is prior to OPS, we did some value stream mapping and looked at how long it took to place an order through us, from getting the quote to the customer, getting the artwork and proofs sent to the customer, waiting for them to get approved by their clients, then coming back, creating the print-ready artwork so that we could get it down to the production floor. All of that is gone now. So essentially, they can save a good week or two on lead times and just go directly to our site, put in the text they want, create the proofs instantaneously, immediately, and then send them to their client for approval. We did a lot of research, and we wanted somebody that was already using the web to print technology, and we couldn't find that in the signage world. So we looked at the print world, and we found OPS to have that, and also to be able to customize what we need for our Braille signs, to make sure they are compliant, make sure that they were correct, and they have the team that supports us to get it done.